Alright, Hayden, I'm gonna log, and then tell me when you're full HP. You know what? Yeah, let's just go. Let's just go. At least we're going out together. I'm safe. Alright. So you don't fall through the elevator. I swear to God, if you fall through the elevator. Hayden, half of your body is inside the elevator. Are you going to fall through? Okay, yeah, but lock in. I only have white green and gold grass. Lock in. No, what? That's not a circle! Oh my god! Oh my god! My friend!
Destruction.